gets a little squirrely. I don't know if y'all seen that or not, but yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy Mopar Matt, back at it with another video. First of all, I'd like to start by saying thank you for 1,400 subscribers. The channel is now monetized, and we on the road, we on the ball. Today, in this video, we're gonna go on a little back road drive in the RT. I'm gonna give you guys some updates on the channel, updates on some mods and stuff I got coming for the car. I got a lot of stuff coming for the car, so please stay tuned. Again, thank you to the new people that are here for the first time. If you like anything you see on the channel, hit that subscribe button and let's go. First off, let's start with giving y'all guys a little cold start. Slightly cold start, because I just drove it down here. Yes, sir. That's all about to change. I'm about to let y'all know right now. Got some stuff I'm about to tell you about in the video. So, let's go. Alright guys, so we finally reached these beautiful back roads, and we're about to go on this little drive while I talk to y'all about some updates on things with the car and with the channel. Like I said earlier, I appreciate everybody for 1,400 subscribers. The channel is now monetized. Am I rich yet? Absolutely not. Got it! Channel been monetized for like 2 months now, and I've made a decent amount of money. It's nothing to quit your day job for or anything like that, but it's money nonetheless. And I just want to say, whatever the channel makes will be reinvested right back into the channel, whether it's camera equipment to like make new content or get different views and perspectives on content, or whether it's car mods, like doing performance mods, visual mods, anything like that. None of that will be going into my pocket personally until I'm able to make a decent profit and be able to sustain like myself off of doing YouTube. But yeah, the channel is monetized. I appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. Even though I haven't posted in like a month, you guys still watch the videos, you guys still comment, you still watch my shorts. And I appreciate that wholeheartedly. I want to do a giveaway sometime or another. We'll see how that goes, and we'll see what happens with that. The second update I got for you guys is I will be doing a 309 video when I find the space and opportunity. It's gonna come, it's gonna be within the next 3 videos I make for sure, because I know a lot of you guys been asking about it, and I wanna get it. I haven't even got the chance to really test it out myself, so I will be making a review video. I'll do a little Bernie or 2, maybe a donut if I got the space, lay some 11 down, and we'll just go from there with that. Just a slight update on that. I've been driving the car around for a few months now with the 309, and I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. It brings the car to life for sure. Like, I'll show you guys at this stop sign, a little slight 0 to 60. It might spin a little bit, because sometimes I've noticed the car gets a little squirrely with this 309, which I never really had that issue with the 262's open differential, but it's pretty fun. I like it. I like the extra, well, it helps apply the torque a little bit better than 309's do. So I'm gonna do it from a dead stop and just slap it, not gonna stage or anything. See, car gets a little squirrely. I don't know if y'all seen that or not, but yeah, that's the 309s. Next update I want to give is I did do brakes on all 4 corners. I did performance brakes, like performance upgrade brakes. They are slotted and drilled for like heat ventilation and all that stuff, and I like them. I like them a lot. I'm gonna make a review video on them. I'm gonna reveal the brand of them in that video. I think they're pretty cool. They're very, very, very much better than stock, if I do say so myself. The stock brakes, you can stop the car for sure, but sometimes it was a hassle stopping the car because the brakes, if you're doing like spirited driving, the brakes heat up. They heat up fairly quickly, and you start to get mush pedal. With these, you really don't experience that as much. I've drove the piss out of this car riding with the homies and riding with the club or whatever, and didn't experience any kind of brake fade or anything. So I like that. And like I said, I'll be doing a review video on that. I tried to make an install video, but things just got a little too crazy. I did install all of them myself though, and it got so crazy to the point where I did the front ones, and it took me so long to do the front ones because I didn't have power tools, that I had to do the back ones 2 weeks later when I had to lift and power tools. Because like those bolts on front on the front of the car to hold the front of the car together, the suspension or the calipers, the brakes, they're on there tight. And I'm pretty sure for good reason, because you don't want to be going down the road and you know, things go sideways. But yeah, what other updates do I have? A little quick pull for y'all. I don't know about y'all, but I love driving curvy roads. I know these are straight line cars, and these cars aren't meant for like turning performance, or aren't known that well for turning and performance. But I love driving this car on a curvy road. Put that baby in sport mode with the taser and just ride, man. A lot of times I just ride in silence just to hear the car. It's pretty dope. Next update will be I'm really not just supposed to reveal this, but I got headers and I got catless mid pipes on the way. I'm gonna be installing them myself, and I'm also gonna do a full exhaust. Probably gonna be the MBRP setup. I think it's called an Armor Light, but I will make a video on all that. I'm gonna make a video on the installation, and then I'm gonna make a video doing a review and all that. And the car will be getting a custom tune. I'm not gonna reveal the tuner just yet because I gotta hit him up and make sure he can do the work. But yeah, like I said, I won't be revealing the tuner just yet. Just know he's a well-known tuner in the Mopar community. Some people call him a wizard. If you watch some of the other Mopar channels, you've probably heard of him. I hear he's pretty dope dude, so we'll get in contact with him and I'll let you guys know how that process goes. I think other than that, that's pretty much it. All the updates I have for the car. Just know plenty of things coming. I'm about to get back on my uploads a little more daily. Y'all let me know, not daily, but like maybe weekly. We'll see how it goes. But y'all let me know what y'all want to see on the channel. I kind of slowed down on uploading because I didn't know like if my videos were doing that well. I know it's people that's out there that support the videos and love to see the videos, but I kind of, like I said, I kind of slowed down because I didn't know how the videos were doing. So, and I didn't want to just be making uninteresting content, boring content. So y'all let me know down below what y'all want to see, whether it's on the performance install side or it's like me going to a meet or something, or meeting up with the club. Yeah, first of all, y'all go check that out. Got a club now. We started a club about a month or two ago. I dropped the Instagram page on the screen right now. Y'all check that out. Go follow that. Definitely got some dope stuff coming over there. But yeah, y'all just let me know what y'all want to see. If y'all want to see more POVs like this, I could definitely do that. This is easy to make. Or like I said, performance installs, advice on anything, like just let me know. I know I've been talking y'all head off, so I'm gonna just let the car do the talking and I'm gonna do the driving. dope to me. I love a curvy road. I hope I don't disturb the fish with what I'm coming through. Got the people out on the boats today. Very beautiful day to be on the boat. On the boats. Kind of cloudy, but it's kind of a good thing. It's only 76 degrees out here. Run into some traffic. Oh no, they kind of going for it. Maybe they on the same joyride I'm on today. Don't really look like it though. They on the yellow line. On the same type of time I'm on. Man, I love driving this car through these woods. Very therapeutic. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. I think this video has been long enough. Wow, right when I'm ending the video, they're gonna turn off. Come on, man. Yeah, I think this video has been long enough. Got some pulls in there for y'all. Have some fun. I'll keep y'all updated on everything. And y'all be easy, man. Y'all keep rocking with your boy. I appreciate y'all for rocking with the content. Comment down below what you want to see. All that great stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you gotta do. I appreciate y'all. I'll catch y'all in the next one.